My name is Stuart Young. I am a business visual storyteller and trainer, and I work for a company called C Prime. The Advanced Certified Scrum Product Owner course is aimed at those that already hold a CSPO certification, have gained some experience as a product owner, and wish to deepen their knowledge and experience of product ownership. The course is delivered over 2 days or 16 hours in duration, both face-to-face or virtually. On the course, there'll be a combination of practical exercises and theory, providing you with opportunities to work in teams and in pairs and groups to think about some of the challenges and some of the ideas around product ownership. During this course, we'll go deeper with the accountability of product ownership, focusing on topics and areas such as product strategy, customer centricity, road mapping, and validating product assumptions. After 2 days of training, you will receive an Advanced Certified Scrum Product Owner certification from the Scrum Alliance.